Welcome to our YouTube channel, Shikar. This is our day 2 in Innsbruck, and today I am taking you to the most famous tourist place, Swarovski Crystal Worlds. Hi all, today we are in Swarovski Crystal World. So let's explore the Crystal World today. Deep in the heart of the Tyrolean Alps, Swarovski Crystal Worlds welcomes guests into a world bursting with creativity, imagination, and magic. Step into the chambers of wonder and awaken your own creative vision through art, culture, and crystal. The chambers of wonder serve as both stage and playground. International artists and designers craft expansive installations inspired by crystal's infinite creative possibilities. We entered the first chamber, that is Blue Hall. In the Blue Hall, guests get their first glimpse into the fascinating world of crystals and can see masterpieces. The horse which you are seeing here goes back to the story of Chetak, an Indian war horse that, due to his stiffness and his instincts, saved the life of Maharana Pratap Singh during a battle in 1576. Using Swarovski crystals, a replica of horse jewelry is created here. The next chamber is Silent Light. This poetic snow installation creates real snow all year long. The temperature in the Chamber of Wonder can drop down to minus 10 degrees Celsius. 4-meter tall crystal tree is the center of attraction here. This chamber is a eternal winter magic. The next chamber is Crystal Dome. The dome in the Crystal Dome consists of 595 mirrors that create a special depth effect and give you the feeling of being inside a crystal. The next chamber is the Art of Performance. The Art of Performance Chamber of Wonder celebrates Swarovski's long-standing collaboration with Hollywood's greatest entertainers and artists. Discover iconic stage and film outfits that radiate with Swarovski crystals. The next chamber is Into Lattis Sun. This is created by South Korean artists. Bright morning light welcomes you into this chamber of wonder, where a landscape of mirrors and spatial illusions guides your journey towards the warm embrace of golden evening light. Welcome to the Palace of Love. This is the next chamber of wonder. It is created by Indian fashion designer. Love that knows no boundaries and traditional Indian craftsmanship are the integrants used to create this Palace of Love chamber. The next chamber is Crystal Steamen. Inside this chamber of wonder, you will hear more than 50 languages and 3000 personal stories as Swarovski employees share their joy, enthusiasm, and pride. The next chamber is Umbra. Guests feel and experience the light and colors with all their senses as they move through Umbra. The next chamber is Crystallizing Identity. It is created by Japanese artist and it draws inspiration from an ancient Japanese legend that tells of a red thread that connects the little fingers of those destined to meet. No matter where life takes them, the threads inevitably guides them to one another. The thread connects everything. It connects past and the present. The next chamber is Chandelier of Grief. A Swarovski crystal chandelier takes center stage in this installation, spinning at the center of a mirrored room. The next chamber is Studio Job Wunderkammer, the only installation that doesn't have any corners. Centers on creating a holistic spatial experience. Color, form, composition, and concept invite guests to explore the space and make discoveries on their own. This is a magnificent waterfall filmed in the Alps, cascades down a screen and reflected on the walls. This chamber is called Eden, a landscape that evokes one of the most primeval responses in humans, the forest. Imagine a big bang shattering the crystal into 7,000 fragments, flinging them in every direction. That is what awaits you in the Pulse Veroni, the largest chamber of wonder at Swarovski Crystal Worlds. The next chamber is El Sol. It is made up of 2,880 custom Swarovski crystals and explores humankind's relationship with sun. And the next is Timeless. Timeless tells Swarovski's story and its history. And here comes Swarovski store, where you can purchase your favorite Swarovski jewelry and crystals. This Swarovski Crystal Worlds near Innsbruck, a place where art, light and crystals come together, is not just a museum but an experience where creativity meets crystal magic. Step into a sparkling dream at Swarovski Crystal Worlds, all in one unforgettable place. I hope you all liked my video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.